The Fanttik T1 Max soldering kit impresses with its rapid heating capability, reaching the desired temperature in just 7 seconds, which significantly enhances the efficiency of repair tasks. This soldering iron's cordless design, supported by a built-in battery, allows for an hour of continuous use at high temperatures, offering unmatched flexibility for on-the-go repairs. A standout feature is its intelligent gravity-sensing technology, which conveniently puts the device into sleep mode after 30 seconds of inactivity and reactivates it upon movement. The soldering iron provides 6 adjustable temperature levels, ensuring precision and adaptability for various work scenarios without risking damage to sensitive components. The Fanttik T1 Max is designed with a compact and aesthetically pleasing aluminum stand, adding both stability and a touch of elegance to any workspace. Overall, the Fanttik T1 Max soldering kit is a versatile and efficient tool, ideal for precision repair tasks, making it a valuable addition to any technician's toolkit.